Hello and welcome to the Maths Guide, and today we're going to be looking at profit and loss and asking the question, what is my percentage profit? So sometimes we're so busy with working out how to do difficult questions in maths that we forget how to do the basic questions, like finding what a percentage is. So these questions are going to be asking, what is my percentage profit? When you're asked what percentage of something is, it means you're writing what you have as a fraction and converting it to a percentage. So what percentage of 40 is 10? The answer is you write that as a fraction and convert to a percentage. Now, we'll be looking at percentage profit and be looking at percentage losses. So profit means how much money you made, and a loss means how much money you lost. If I'm asked to find a percentage profit, it means you write that profit as a fraction of the original price and convert it to a percentage. So generally, when we're talking about profit and loss, we're talking as the profit compared to what the original price was. So let's have a look at an example question. So if I buy a bike for €40 and sell it for €60, what was my percentage profit? Well, step one, what was my profit? So I made a profit of €20. If I buy something for 40 and sell it for 60, I make a profit of €20. Then step two is to write this as a fraction of the original price. So the original price was 40, my profit was 20, so I write that as the fraction €20 over €40. Then you convert to a percentage. To convert from a fraction or a decimal to a percent, you multiply by 100. So 20 divided by 40 gives you 0.5. To convert to a percentage, you multiply by 100 and add the percentage symbol. So that's 0.5 times by 100 is 50%. And in the questions that you're going to be asked, you put your answer in, you just type in 50%. What about if I buy a bike for €40 and sell it for €30? And I'm asked, what's my percentage profit? And in this question, I'm going to mention a loss, because if you buy something for 40 and sell it for 30, you're making a loss. So what was my profit or loss? My answer is I made a €10 loss. Step two, write this as a fraction of the original price. So that's €10 as a fraction of €40, the original price. Then you convert to a percentage. So 10 divided by 40, you type that into a calculator, you'll get 0.25. To convert from a decimal to percentage, you multiply by 100 and add the percentage symbol. So you get 25% loss. So this is just straightforward finding percentages. To find a percent, write it as a fraction and then convert it to a percentage. In these questions, we're going to be talking about profit and loss. So when we make a profit, I'm going to say it's plus 25%, but if I make a loss, you'll need to put your answer in as minus 25% to indicate that it was a loss. So if you buy something for 40 and sell it for 30, you've made a 25% loss. So this is just practicing the basic questions on percentage. Just to remind you what a percentage is, it's a fraction, and you can convert it to a percentage by multiplying by 100. So have a go those questions, and the best of luck.